In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install node.js on Windows 11. Whether you're diving into web development for the first time or you're updating your current setup, installing node.js is a crucial step. Node.js is a powerful JavaScript runtime, and it comes packaged with npm, the Node Package Manager, which allows you to install and manage packages necessary for your projects. Now let's get started with the installation process. First, we need to download node.js. This is a straightforward process and can be done from the comfort of your web browser. Head over to the official node.js website. Once you're there, you'll find several download options, but for most users, the long-term support or LTS version is recommended. This version is deemed stable for production and ensures greater compatibility with most modules and libraries. Go ahead and click the LTS version to initiate the download. Once the .msi installer file is downloaded, located on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder, double-click the installer file to start the setup process. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Click Next to continue. As with any software installation, you will be asked to accept the license agreement. Make sure to read through it if you wish, and then click the checkbox to agree to the terms, followed by Next. From here, you will be prompted to choose the installation location. If you're unsure, it's perfectly okay to go with the default setting. This will install Node.js in the recommended location on your system. Once you've selected your desired folder, click Next through the following setup screens until you reach the Install button. At this point, you'll hit Install to begin the final steps of the setup process. You might be asked for administrator permissions, so be sure to allow this to ensure the installation can proceed without a hitch. The installer will now go to work, setting things up for you. This process only takes a few moments, so sit tight while Node.js and npm, which stands for Node Package Manager, are automatically installed. After the installation is complete, you'll see a final screen. Click Finish to close the setup wizard. You have now successfully installed Node.js and npm on your Windows 11 system. In case you want to verify the installation, open up a command prompt window. You can do this by typing cmd in the search bar and hitting enter. In the command prompt, type node v and press enter. This command shows you the installed node.js version. Similarly, typing npm v will give you the npm version. And there you go, you're all set up and ready to start building your projects. Whether you're creating a new app or maintaining an existing one, having Node.js and npm configured is the start of a productive coding journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.